why strive for enlightenment? If we could attain enlightenment in this lifetime, what would change in our and others' lives? How would we be different, and how differently would we perceive things? Enlightenment is, as from Buddhist point of view, if we can, in one way, you can say that if we develop, awaken our wisdom and compassion and all other innate positive qualities completely to the limitlessly, then we call it enlightened person, fully enlightened person, because there are different levels of enlightenment, you can say. So if the more enlightened we are, more we become wise. We see things clearly. We see things what we are, how things are, and therefore less fear. Therefore, more compassion. Therefore, we become we have capacity to deal with whatever happens. Whatever happens, it doesn't shaken us. It doesn't, bother us. That's, so therefore, an enlightened person, the more enlightened you become, the more stable that person becomes, more unnerved, cannot be frightened by anything, cannot be shaken by anything, cannot, nothing can make you completely, what can you say? No circumstances can bring, suffering and pain to that person. So therefore, because that person, learns how to, that he knows how it's not possible to control everything around you. But it doesn't matter, because everything changes, everything is not totally, solidly real anyway. Everything is a little bit like the dream, and so therefore you realize you are a dream.